Hey everyone and welcome to our channel. This video will be a guide on the top 10 best-selling Shopify themes tailored for your online store. The design, aesthetics, and functionality of your online storefront is an extremely important aspect in creating lasting impressions and driving conversions. With Shopify standing tall as a beacon in the e-commerce platform landscape, the theme that you opt for can be the lifeline in determining your store's success. So from the start, you might be wondering, are these themes going to cost me? And to answer truthfully, it's yes. Every theme that we're about to delve into in this video is premium. However, this comes with great benefit. As their widespread acclaim and exceptional ratings in the e-commerce part, you can rest assured that when you invest in a premium theme, you're not just buying a design, you're securing top-tier quality. You'll also be getting consistent updates and the assurance of dedicated support. Let us know in the comment section down below if you'd like us to create another video where we feature the free Shopify themes for you to choose from. However, for the themes that we're going to be featuring in this video, it's also important to mention that every theme on this list boasts full responsiveness. Whether your customer is browsing on a smartphone, tablet, or a desktop, these themes will adapt flawlessly. They also have swift loading speeds combined with top-tier performance scores to ensure that your customer's shopping experience is nothing short of exceptional. The first design that we have for today is Shella. Beyond the modern and dynamic facade, Shella is amazing among fashion-centric stores. Its pristine design, coupled with an array of layout permutations, allows store owners to craft a unique digital presence. Next up, we have Belle. The allure of Belle is rooted in its minimalist kind of aesthetic. This kind of design implies elegance and functionality, making it a perfect fit for stores that venerate a clutter-free and straightforward kind of aesthetic. On number 3, we have Porto. Porto is a canvas of adaptability. Its multidimensional nature ensures that it can be sculpted to resonate with any store's visual and functional aspirations. Next up on number 4, we have Multifly. Multifly is a great design. It has the elements set the stage for a store that wishes to stand out and be remembered. And on number 5, we have Elessi. Elessi is a masterclass in user-centric design. You'll be equipped with amazing features like a quick view, a wish list, and an innovative product comparison tool. This really transforms shopping from a task to a delightful kind of experience. Definitely be sure to check this one out. And on number 6, we have Avone. This is more of a modern kind of design element. It has amazing features and it boasts rave reviews. It's poised to elevate any online store to new heights. And at number 7, we have Minimog. Minimog is a celebration of minimalism. By spotlighting products and eliminating distractions, it ensures that customers are treated to a laser-focused shopping journey. And at number 8, we have Wokiee. Wokiee is similar to a Swiss Army knife. It's very versatile and packed with amazing features. Its diverse layouts and styles make it a kind of a chameleon, ready to adapt to any brand or product narrative. And at number 9, we have Gecko. Gecko is where aesthetics meets functionality. Its design ensures that every product is presented in a manner that's both appealing and informative. And finally at number 10, we have Kalles. Kalles always ensures that the customer has an amazing experience. Its design, coupled with a vast array of customization options, makes it a frontrunner for both modern and seasoned online ventures. And to wrap things up, the design narrative and operational prowess of your Shopify theme can be the catalyst for your online store's success. And while every theme that we've discussed today is a masterpiece in its own right, the key here is to align your choice with your brand's narrative and product spectrum. Remember that the most fitting theme is the one that strikes a chord with your audience and accentuates your product's allure. So be sure to experiment with them a little bit and find the one that best suits your brand and products. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it to be valuable or informative, let us know by leaving a like and subscribing so you don't miss out on any future or follow-up videos that we create.